WINFX Trading YouTube channel, the only place you can become rich trading the forex synthetic market. This is a $1 investment on a step index M5 drop signals. M5 drop signal. Some of you don't know what is M5 drop signal. M5 means multiplier 5.0D trader rollover program. $1 was made to $1,296 after a few trade. That was a couple of 4 trade. On the 4th trade it becomes 1,296, and the 5th trade was running on 1,296. And based on relativity theory of synthetic market, space moves faster than time. We are having this huge profit. Just look at that. The multiplier was 500. It's simply because it's supposed to be 5,000, but to tell you the power of the momentum or on step index multiplier is very, very momentum driven, high speed price actions. You see, if it were 5,000%, this is going to be over $200,000. Are you getting it? And the pip level is not even more than 200 pips, not even more than 150 pips, not even more than 100 pips. You won't understand until you join VIP. Start joining VIP right now. M5 drop code. VIP M5 drop code. Change your life. Change your life. You have blown account, but $1 can save you. All you need to do is to join my free Telegram channel. DM me that you want to join the VIP. You will be given the requirements. You start joining. Your life will change. Take action. Take action. I have no other way to help you people. I don't think I should open up this secret, but I don't know. Maybe I'll be sleepless if I didn't do so. Maybe your help doesn't just come directly from God. It's through human being. Maybe God is pushing me to release a content to save somebody, you know. Why is it say creating Windows application? Why not stop and be using those of 1990s or 2000s, you know, and still creating Microsoft Word 2010 and all of that, Windows operating system 10. That's the nature of universe. Okay, someone want to help someone, but you have to pay the price. Join the VIP. Okay, bye for now.